In this lecture, we're going to cover all the possible types of comments in Python. Comments are essential in programming as they allow you to add notes and explanations in your code without affecting how it runs. They are especially useful for clarifying your code's purpose to both yourself and others. Let's start with the single-line comment, the most common type of comment in Python. I'll create a file to practice some examples. A single-line comment begins with the hash symbol. Everything that follows the hash on that line is ignored by the interpreter. This can be used at the start of the line or after a piece of code to clarify what the code is doing. Comments are also commonly used to inactivate a line of code, allowing you to disable it without deleting it. In VS Code, you can quickly comment out a line of code by using the shortcut Ctrl/. Note that in Python, there's no comment style like /*/ in C++, where you can have code on both sides of a comment. When you use a Python comment starting with hash, everything after the hash on that line is ignored by the interpreter. So code must be placed either before the comment or on a separate line, but not after the comment on the same line. Next, there are situations where you need to comment out multiple lines. Python doesn't have a built-in syntax specifically for multi-line comments, but there are two main ways to handle this. The first method is to stack multiple single-line comments together. The second method involves using triple-quoted strings. While these are typically used for docstrings, they can be used as multi-line comments when not assigned to any variable or function. To summarize, Python supports single-line comments using the hash symbol and allows for multi-line comments either by stacking single-line comments or using triple-quoted strings. That's it for comments in Python. They are a simple yet effective way to make your code more readable and understandable for both you and others.